We came to this waterfall called Brahma Karmali waterfall, and we like rode all the way 1.5 hours. But like after reaching here, we came to know that this waterfall is closed. So like we didn't know because Harvalem was open, so we thought like a waterfall would be open, but like we reached Mahadi Wildlife Sanctuary and the waterfall is inside, and there's a board saying that it's closed. So now we're trying to figure out any other place we can go. Okay, so now we are trying to go to Valpoi waterfalls, and if you follow the maps, the map takes you to a wrong place. So we follow the map and it took us to somebody's house, and then after reaching that point which showed us where the map showed us, then there's another man over there who corrected us, and he told us that we need to go to the main road, and then from the market we need to go to the waterfall. So we're going to go to the market and ask someone.
Thank you.
He's there. Wait, we ask him. Okay, so after reaching the market, that uncle told us that we need to go a little bit in front, and he said it's going to be एक बड़ा खंबा आएगा, वहाँ से we need to take, and we have to take a left from there. So let's see. Okay, after asking all the locals for the waterfall, we stopped somewhere over here. We reached another waterfall, we don't know the name, and the cops over there were like, no, all the waterfalls are closed and you cannot go. Now we are going to try sneaking into the waterfall from one small path which is there. For now we stopped over here and we're going to eat. Like we traveled all the way 2 hours to come to the waterfall and it's closed. Still now what we know is only Harvalem waterfall is open and everything else is closed, but let's see if we'll be able to go from the other path.
What she said. Every day she cleans my hand after food.
This is a new jugaad of cleaning hands. Give Zoe to lick it. Okay, then finally we have stopped at that lane which I showed you all, and then at one shop I met these local people and I asked them. So there was this guide, he said that you hire us and we're going to then we can take you to the waterfall. So we hired one guide, local guide from there, and he said it's going to be like 1 hour from here. And now we're walking. It's 2 o'clock, and yeah, the weather is nice. It stopped raining. The sky is clear, and I think we're going to go to that mountain which we saw, which had those clouds falling down. So let's see. We're still walking and walking, and the sky is very beautiful today. And the mountain looks very beautiful from here, but I don't know if I don't know if you can see it, but it's very beautiful that the clouds are coming right down. Oh yeah, you can see it. Look at this place. It's like heaven. Too beautiful this guy. This view is too good. I can like hear that waterfall. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I think y'all will be able to hear it. See carefully. Listen carefully. Oh, we are almost there. अच्छा मुझे ना ये वाटरफॉल का नाम बताओ.
शिवलिंग.
शिवलिंग.
हाँ शिवलिंग.
शिवलिंग की क्या है? शिवलिंग.
हाँ शिवलिंग.
मैं YouTube पे डाल रही हूँ आपको.
शिवलिंग इसका नाम है.
Okay, he's saying this is Shivling waterfall. He's saying, but I'm not sure. I'm going to search for it and let you know. But like we have the stream, and then we have the waterfall here. But he's saying we need to go more. कितना time और? चलो.
2 मिनट.
चलो चलो. Finally reached this waterfall and it's very nice, it's very clean and beautiful. If you ever come to any waterfall, please collect all your garbage, don't leave anything over here, take it all back with you. For now this place is very clean and very nice because all the people who have been coming here must have been responsible and cleaning up after they leave. Okay, so we have finally finished the trek and we are heading back home. The entire trek took like 1 hour and there are people like locals who know about it and they came on their own, but we hired a guide from nearby. So this waterfall is called Shivling Waterfall, he's saying. I'm not yet sure what it is and I'm going to Google and I'm going to give you the link in the description. See you all for now and keep watching my videos.
Tell him to go with friends.
But
Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.